Please welcome back to another vlog. My name is Ora, and yeah, it's another vlog. I have class in literally a few minutes, so I'm going to just pack my stuff and head to campus. But I just have like an hour and a few minutes, an hour and a half class, so it's not going to take that long. As you can hear by my voice, I think you can hear by my voice, I have a bit of the flu. My sinuses are swelled up. I think my eyes are irritated, so I'm not feeling my best. Yeah, we're gonna be good students, okay? It's 2 o'clock, 2:30 class, and right now it's like 6 minutes past 2, so I probably should head out around 1:15, so I'll see you then. It's the next day. I'm not feeling well, guys, and I have a class. It's like 8:30. I think 6:30 right now, and I think I have an allergic reaction. I don't know if you can see it, but this side is swollen, and this one, like my eye, it feels like the sun in there. I felt like that yesterday, but I think it feels worse. Just because it's the first, it's like a new water for the year, so I at least have to go to the first one. It doesn't make sense that I'm not changing it, you know. Yeah, no. Let's go. Okay, so I'm done, but I'm 10 minutes late for class. This is the outfit of the day. It's really basic. The only interesting thing about my outfit right now is this pink top and my hair up. So we're gonna go to class. Okay, I'll see you now. Okay, I'm officially late for class. I'm 30 minutes late, basically, because when I get there, it's gonna be 9 o'clock. Still waiting for my Uber. So I'm back home. I'm not feeling well. So I'm back home. I've been home for like a few hours now. It's just that I've been sitting here at one spot. I'm not feeling so well still, so I don't know if I mentioned that I'm not feeling well, but I'm not feeling well. Luckily my dad is in town, so I'm waiting for him. He's bringing me some medicine and some clothes that I left at home. I am currently sitting with a few outfits, so that's my life right now. I didn't vlog in class. I didn't vlog my day, which I feel kind of really bad about, because I'm like, now I'm just showing you when I get ready and when I'm home, and that's literally what I did for the past 2 days, and that sucks. Because is it 2 days? No, for the past 3 days. When my dad comes here, maybe I might get something to eat, so I'm just gonna be outside for a little bit, and I'm gonna show you outside meaning like outside of this I was outside. I walked with my friends. But I didn't vlog. I'm so disappointed in myself. And do you know what? I'm a vlogger, and I think it's because I'm sick. I'm not feeling well. That's why I didn't vlog anything. So please forgive me. But I'm gonna vlog until Friday. Today is Wednesday. I'm gonna end my vlog on Friday. I think Friday or Saturday. Between Friday and Saturday, I'm gonna end my vlog to obviously start a new vlog and edit so that it can be up on Sunday. I want this vlog up on Sunday. I feel like vlogging, but I feel like I am obligated to, because I have not been posting any videos on YouTube, and you deserve better as my subscribers. You know what I mean? Like, come on, imagine if I'm subscribed to someone's channel and then I don't post. Like that person does not post for me to watch them. Like it's disrespectful. No, I need to push it. Even if it's boring, I'm showing you my life. A vlog is about showing you my life, whether it's boring or not. I'm just literally showing you what I do every day. And we'll just go to school, come back home, and literally just do this and watch anime. Which, by the way, I'm watching anime. I didn't know that this animation. I didn't know that this anime was on Netflix. I've always watched it on like Kiss Anime and stuff like that. And Kimi ni Todoke. I'm gonna show you now. This one. It's on Netflix, so that's nice. I've already watched it. But I just felt like repeating it again, like watching something familiar and just relaxing my mind from all the information that I got in from today. I really had to go this morning. It was an 8:30 class, and then I had another one after that one, so we had 2 classes. So yeah, and those both of them were like something I don't know about, like when you have like modules that you take with you until the end of your degree. This one was a total different one. I think there's just semester type of modules. I really had to go to the first class because class started this week. And yeah, but I'm gonna try and vlog more because I want to. I don't like the way I'm sitting. I'm gonna try and vlog more because I want to like kind of incorporate like what I do for school and how I prep for the new week, how I study, how like just things like that. Like how do I student, I forget that. Sometimes we do. But I should not forget that. My face looks so big. Am I exaggerating? I just want to incorporate more things that I do, like little nitty-gritty things that I just do during the day. It could be like watching something, because sometimes I feel like no one wants to see that, but like at the same time it's like, what happened to the gaps? When you watch a vlog and you're like, what happened before that? So I feel like sometimes I should just incorporate that thing of like, okay, putting the little gaps in of, okay, this is what happened. Even if I don't like give out the full thing, like it's not necessary for me to watch, like make you watch me wash all of my dishes just to show you a clip of I washed my dishes, or I make coffee, or things like that. So it's load shedding, and I'm using like this lamp. It's kind of actually helping. It's not a lamp, a torch. My dad is downstairs. It's quite late, so I didn't end up going anywhere with him. But he did, however, get me food. Downstairs, I have to walk downstairs in the dark, so.
잔인해 그대란 사람 작은 유리병에 나를 넣고 나를 놓아주면 안 되나요? 다른 사랑할래요. 나 그대 없으면 나 한시도 못 가서 금방 숨이 멎을 것 같아요. 그대 나를 바라봐요. 그대 결심해요.
Hi angels. I've been at home for like a couple of hours. I did my nails, if you didn't see. Really pretty. They even match a little of my dress. Yeah, so I was just feeling a little tired, so I took a small nap. Now it's like 4:30. I'm thinking of taking like a walk at around 6. I'm just gonna look at what time is sunset so I can just take a walk. So doing your nails is so therapeutic. Like, it's so nice, I don't want to lie. It does something, I don't know what it does. And yeah, especially where I do my nails, they're so like so cool. You feel like a literal princess when you're there. I think I've said this before in one of my vlogs. Yeah. So right now I'm just like laying down. I'm watching some YouTube. I even look tired. That's how bad it is. And then I'll see you when I head out. And then maybe after the walk I can have like a really nice like a nice bath. Like, I just want to self-care like tonight, like exfoliation, shave, like the whole shebang, which I'm not gonna show you unfortunately because like it's gonna take longer if I record it, but that's like, I'm just letting you know like what I want to do when I come back from my walk. I'm about to go walk. Taking the steps because it's gonna be low shedding soon, so I'm scared of getting stuck in the elevator. Wish you luck. The lighting is absolutely horrible. I'm just quickly walking to the shop. I want something to drink to not look stupid, and also to just do something with my hands. You know, when you're walking alone, it just feels awkward. So I'm just gonna go shop, and then I'll see you at the promenade. So good. It's okay. Good morning. It's such weird lighting. It's the next day. As you saw yesterday, I went for the walk, and then after that I went for dinner on a date night, and yeah, and it was load shedding from 6 till 10:30. 4 hours. But anyway, I was supposed to head to class right now, but it seems, and I'm all ready and stuff, it starts at 11:30, but now there's an order that I'm waiting for. And I was expecting it to come maybe on Monday, but it seems like they're doing the delivery today. But yeah, so now I don't want to not be here and then they postpone the delivery, because this is a very, very important delivery for me. So I'm gonna first see if they're gonna make it or not. But so long, I just wanted to say hi, good morning. It's Friday. Anyway, yeah, that's what I wanted to update you with. Yeah, I'm all showered and ready. I don't know what the day has for us, but I think I want to look at just work that I need to do for the day. I got a fridge. Literally bought it this morning and it arrived right now. I was literally expecting it on the 6th, meaning on Monday. And it's here. I have a fridge, guys. Do you know how important it is to have a fridge in your home? Like, that's the first thing you should move in with, ever. I'm so happy.